ClickBank is an online marketplace that connects product creators, vendors, with affiliate marketers. It provides a platform for vendors to sell their digital products, such as e-books, online courses, software, and membership sites, while also offering an opportunity for affiliate marketers to promote those products and earn commissions. Here's how ClickBank works. 1. Vendors. Product creators can list their digital products on ClickBank's marketplace. They set the price, commission rates for affiliates, and provide promotional materials like sales pages and banners. 2. Affiliate marketers. Individuals or businesses looking to earn money by promoting digital products can sign up as ClickBank affiliates. They browse the marketplace, select products to promote, and generate unique affiliate links. 3. Promoting products. Affiliates promote the products by sharing their affiliate links through various channels like websites, blogs, social media, email marketing, or paid advertising. When someone clicks on their affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission. 4. Commissions and payments. ClickBank handles the tracking of affiliate sales and calculates the commissions earned. Commissions vary based on the product and are typically a percentage of the product's sale price. ClickBank pays affiliates either by check or direct deposit, depending on their chosen payment method. ClickBank provides a convenient platform for vendors to reach a wider audience and increase sales, while affiliates can leverage the marketplace to find products to promote without needing to create their own products. It's important for both vendors and affiliates to research and select high-quality products with a good track record to ensure success in the ClickBank marketplace. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.